Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to SL Preem. So if you guys are looking to buy iPhone 7 in 2020, this is the video for you. So one of the things you guys want to watch out for when you buy an iPhone 7 is the actual condition of the phone. The jet black models are very hard to photograph, and any scratches or scuffs on the device would be hardly visible. So you guys would have to be very careful if you care about getting a phone in pristine condition. Make sure to double check with the sellers if you're buying on eBay that there are no scratches or scuffs, because I thought my phone was in pristine condition. So when I actually picked up the phone, I thought there was a bunch of dust on it, but it turns out the previous owner just had a case on it for a very long time without actually cleaning the phone. That will cause dust particles to come in the phone and then over time remove the paint coating on the back. So then my iPhone 7 was actually covered in little dots of missing paint. Okay, let's talk about the battery. So the iPhone 7 is around 3 years old now, and the battery health is around 80% for most devices. It can be lower or higher depending on the previous owner, but if anyone were to buy an iPhone 7 in 2020, I would suggest you guys go and buy a phone with 100% battery health. So there's actually pros and cons to this. Obviously the pros, you get the maximum battery life and you get to use your iPhone 7 for the longest amount of time possible. But the downside to this, of course, is if you're using your phone in dangerous areas such as pools, the toilet, or out in the rain, I would suggest you guys to go ahead and buy a new iPhone 7. But honestly, in my opinion, I would rather buy the phone used and get 100% battery capacity to save money, as if you're buying iPhone 7 2020, you're probably on a budget anyways. An extra little tip for buying on eBay is if you're buying from a big seller, there's a small chance that you would get the wrong device. So make sure you guys go into your settings and verify you got the same amount of storage as advertised. Speaking of storage, I think you should invest a little more money into the iPhone 7 and get at least 128 gigabytes of storage. This is 2020, and honestly 32 gigabytes isn't gonna cut it. Anyways, what are the benefits of getting a jet black iPhone 7? So the number one thing is it feels really nice in your hands. It's not glass, but it actually feels like glass. It feels just like the iPhone 8, X, and 11 series devices. So if you want something that feels really nice in your hands, and also, number two, it's not slippery nearly as much as the other iPhone 7 models with aluminum. So if you care about using your phone without a case, then the iPhone 7 Jet Black, I would say, is the best option. If you care about protecting your phone, then don't buy the Jet Black, as there's literally no reason, and you should just go with an aluminum color instead. By the way guys, I literally just found this out, that the iPhone 7 actually has dual speakers. So you get a bottom speaker and you also get a top speaker. I thought the top one is just for calling, but apparently both of them activate while watching content such as YouTube or watching a movie or whatever. So that's a really nice surprise. But that's about it guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.